students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, so again I am here, your maths teacher. Okay, so what we are doing? We are doing chapter 3, numbers up to 99, and so many topics we have covered in this chapter. Okay, so we continue with our next topic. First I will again remind you what we have already done. Okay, so we have written number names from 1 to 100, and I hope all of you have learned the number names till 100, and keep practicing, keep writing number names again and again so that you cannot forget it. Okay, and we have written backward counting in our last lecture, and I have given you homework also. So I hope all of you have done your homework. I told you to fill the table in book only. I have given you this table, I have given you to fill in book. So I hope all of you have written backward counting from 100 to 50. You have done very good. And the question that we have done, fill in the balloons with number. So have you colored your balloons in your notebook? You have colored colorful balloons? Very good. Those who have not colored, color your balloon so that it will look nice. Okay, so today we will continue with our next topic. So first, all of you take out your notebook. Take out your notebook. I will give you 2 minutes. We will do writing in notebook. So take out your notebook. Open new page, new day, new topic. Always starts from new page. So open new page, and what you have to write first? While you are starting a new work, what do you do first? You write date. So write the date. What is the date today that you have to write? Here on the left side of your notebook, write today's date. What is the date? What is the date? Write first the date. All of you have opened your notebook. Some are opening, so fast. Open your notebook and take new page and write here date. Okay, write date here and start writing with me. I am writing here on the board. Okay, I am writing here on the board, and whatever I am writing on the board, you copy it in your notebook. Okay, and copy in good handwriting. Copy correct, copy in good handwriting. Okay, so today we are doing our next question. Our next question is fill in the missing numbers. So first, all of you copy the question with me. Write the question. Fill in, F-I-L-L, fill, I-N, fill in the, T-H-E, the, fill in the missing numbers, M-I-S-S-I-N-G, missing, fill in the missing numbers, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers, fill in the missing numbers. The question that we are doing is given on page number 45. This question is given on page number 45 in your maths textbook. Okay, the question is given on page number 45. So first, all of you write this question. Fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. That means some numbers are given and some blanks are given. So what we have to do? We have to fill the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill all the blanks with the numbers. Okay, the numbers, some numbers are missing in series. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to fill the blank with numbers by writing after number or writing before number. Okay, if blank is given after the number, then what we have to do? We have to fill the blank with after number. If before blank is given and then number is given, then we have to write the before number. Okay, so first we observe the question carefully that whether we have to write after number or before number. Then according to question we fill the blank by numbers. Okay, so one by one we will do all the questions. So I hope all of you have written this question. Have you written? Good. Now copy A. First copy the question A. Blank, blank and blank. 3 blanks are given. Then number is written here 8080. Copy this question. Blank. 3 blanks are given. Blank, blank and blank. Then what is given? 80. Copy this question first. Copy this question. Copy this question, or instead of blank what we will do? We will make a box. Okay. So one box is empty here. Another box is again empty. Again box is empty. Then what is the number written next? 8080. The number written here is 8080. Okay. So now see, where the box are empty, before the number or after the number? So the box are empty before the number. Okay, the number is written here and before the number box are empty. So what we have to fill? We have to fill this box with a number that come before 80. We have to fill this box by writing a number that come before 80. So which number will come before 80? So we start filling the boxes from this side. Okay, whenever we fill a before number, we just fill just before number, then before number, then before number. Don't fill this box first. Okay, so we fill this box first. First we fill this box, then we fill this box, and at last we fill this box. Okay, so which number will come before 8080? You know the counting. So which number will come before 8080? 7979. So here the box contain a number 7979. Now we will fill the next box, that means this box, by a before number. So which number will come before 79? 7878. Okay, the number that come before 79 is 78. Now which number will come before 78? 7777. Now read the number, read all the number: 77, 78, 79 and 80. Okay. Now copy this. Copy this. Copy this. Now second, B. First copy the question from the board. Again this is empty. Again this is empty. And again this is empty. Which number is written here? 9797. This question you do on your own. First you write all the answers in your notebook. Then I will write and you check whether you have written right or wrong. Okay, so first you do this question. You fill these boxes. You fill these boxes. You fill these boxes. Then I will write the answer and you check whether you have written right or wrong. Okay, so first you do. Have you written? Have you done this question? Okay, now check your answers whether you have written right or wrong. Now what is the number written here? The number here is 9797. So which box we will fill first? This one or this one? Which one? We will fill this box first. Okay, because we are writing before number. So which number will come before 97? Which number will come before 97? 9696. The number that come before 97 is 9696. The number that come before 97 is 9696. Okay, now which number will come before 96? 9595. 9595. The number that come before 96 is 95. Now what will be the next number? What will be the next number here? The number that comes before 95. Which number? 94. 94. I hope all of you have filled your boxes with these numbers. Have you written 94, 95 and 96? Yes. Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Very good. Okay. Now let's read the series. 94, 95, 96 and 97. So those who have not done, return it fast. Write it fast. Copy fast from the board. Written? Very good. Now the next question. I am writing the question on the board. First you copy the question and this question also. First you write the solution. First you fill all the box. Then I will write the answer and again you check it whether you have written right or wrong. Box. And next which number is written? 8383. 8383. So first you fill all the boxes. First you fill all the boxes. First you write all the boxes, fill all the boxes with numbers. First you do it. Let's see whether you are able to do this or not. Copy the question and fill these boxes with numbers. Do yourself. Okay, have you done? Have you written the answers? Have you filled these boxes? Yes or no? No? Some are writing. So write fast. Those who are writing, write fast. Okay. Now check your answers whether you have written right or wrong. So first we will write the number that come before 83. So which number will come before 83? 82. The number that come before 83 is 82. Now next, which number will come before 82? Which number will come? 81. The number that come before 82 is 81. Now the next blank. Which number will come before 81? 80. So how many have written correct? How many have written the same answers that I have written? All. Very good. Clap for yourself again. Clap for yourself. So let's read the number. 8080, 8181, 8282 and last 8383. So copy this. Those who have not written, copy it from the board. Copy this question from the board. I hope all students are writing. Have you understood how we are filling these blanks? We are filling these boxes by writing the before number. Okay, why we are writing before number? Because the boxes are drawn first. पहले boxes बने, उसके बाद number दिया है. That means you have to fill the box by writing the before number. That is why we are filling the boxes by writing the before number. Okay, now the next question D. First copy the question from the board. boxes are given and all the 3 boxes are empty, and what you have to do, you have to fill this box by writing a number. You have to fill this box by writing a number. So first you do this question, you solve this question first, then I will write the answer and you check. First you write the answer. Fill in the boxes. First you fill the 3 boxes. I hope all of you have written. Now check your answer whether you have written right or wrong. Check your answers. So first we will fill this box. Okay, first we will write number in this box. So what is the number written here? 5555. What is the number written here? 5555. So which number will come before 55? The number that comes before 55 is 5454. 5454. Okay, the number that comes before 55 is 54. 5454. Now which number will come in this box? Which number? Which number will come before 54? 5353. 5353. 5353. Now the last box. This box. Which number will come? The number that come before 53. Which number come before 53? 5252. 5252. Okay. So have you written the same numbers? Have you written the same numbers? Very good. Clap for yourself. And those students who have not written, copy the question from the board. You copy it from the board. Copy correctly from the board. Write fast. Those who are writing 5252, 5353, 5455, 5454 and 55 is already given. Okay. Now the next question. You don't divide your copy in 2 parts. Okay. What you have to do? You have to write down. Okay, I hope all of you are writing down by leaving one box in the middle. Have you leave the one box? A, then leave one box, then B, then leave one box, then C, then leave one box, then D. After D, you leave one box, then write E. Okay, from the same page. Don't take new page if there is a space in your same page. So start writing from there only. Okay, and don't divide your copy in 2 pages. Now E. The next question. In next question also 3 boxes are given. 3 boxes are given and you have to fill this box by writing a number. You have to fill this box by writing a number. 1, 2 and 3. And what is the number written next? 7171. What is the number? 7171. Okay. Now, first you do yourself this question. First you do yourself. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the box. You do. Right or wrong? Now see, what is the number written here? 7171. What is the number written here? 7171. So first we will fill this box. First we will fill this box by writing a number that just come before 71. Which number will come before 71? Which number? 70, 70. The number that just come before 71 is 70. 70, 71. Okay. Now, next we have to fill this box. We have to fill this box. We have to fill this box by writing a before number. A number that just come before 70. So, which number will come before 70? 79? No, then 69, 69. 69, 69. A number that come before 70, 70 is 69, 69. A number that come before 70 is 69. Now, the next blank. The number that come before 69. Which number come before 69? 68, 68. 68, 68. Now read all the numbers. 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, 70 and 71, 71. So we have filled all the boxes. Now check your answers. Have you written right? Yes? Good. Now, those who have not written, copy it from the board. Copy this question from the board. Written. Now, next question. F. Again, 3 boxes are empty. 1, 2 and 3. And the number given is 69, 69. First, you do yourself this question also. You do. You fill the 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. First, you fill the 3 boxes by writing before numbers. Written? Have you written? Yes? Okay. Now check your answers. Check your answers. You have written right or wrong. Now see. What is the number written here? What is the number? Which number is this? 69. 69, 69. So first you have to write a number that just come before 69. Which number will come just before 69? 68, 68. 68, 68. Number that come before 69 is 68. 68. Now which number will come next? Which number will be come here? Which number come before 68? 67, 67. 67, 67. Okay. The number that come before 68 is 67. The number that come before 68 is 67. Now the next number. Which number will come before 67? Which number come here? 66, 66. 66, 66. Now read all the numbers. 66, 67, 68 and 69. Have you written right? Have you filled all the boxes with these numbers? Yes? Very good. And those who have not written, copy correct from the board. Copy this question from the board. Okay, copied. Now, the next question. G. Again, 3 boxes are given and these boxes are empty. You have to fill this box by writing a before number. And what is the number given here? 66, 66. 66, 66, 66. So first you do yourself this question. Fill these boxes with a number by writing a before number. Written. Now check your answers. What is the number written here? 66, 66. Which number is this? 66, 66. Now which number will come before 66? 65, 65. The number come here is 65, 65. The number that come before 66 is 65, 65. Now this box. Which number come here? Which number come before 65? The number that come before 65 is 64, 64. 64, 64. The number that come before 65 is 64. Now what is the number that come before 64? 63. 63, 63. Now read the series. 63, 64, 65 and 66. 63, 64, 65 and 66. Have you written right? Have you filled the boxes, all the three boxes with these numbers? You have written the same number, 63, 64 and 65? Yes, very good. Those who have not written, copy it from the board. Copy the answers from the board. Now, the last question, H. The last question, H. Again, 3 boxes are given. 1, 2 and 3. And the number that is given is 75, 75. 75, 75. So first you fill these 3 boxes by writing a number. First you do yourself this question also. Then I will write and you check your answers. So first you do this question. Check your answers. Check whether you have written right or wrong. So what is the number written here? 75, 75. Which number is written here? 75, 75. So first you have to write a number here that come before 75. So which number come before 75? 74, 74. 75. A number that come before 75 is 74, 74. 74, 74. Now this box. Which number come here? A number that come before 74. Now which number come before 74? 73. A number that come before 74 is 73. A number that come before 74 is 73. Now the last. A number that come before 73. Here number come before 73. Now which number come before 73? 72, 72, 72, 72. So now read all the numbers: 72, 73, 74 and 75. So have you written these 3 same numbers? You have written the same numbers? Yes? Very good. Very good. Now I am writing 2 questions, I and J. That will be homework for you. Okay? I and J, two here and that will be homework for you. You do yourself. Okay. I and J. Okay. So make 3 boxes and what you have to write here? You have to write here 4, 9, 49. 4, 9, 49. This is homework for you. Now J. Again 3 boxes. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And the number that I will write here is 3, 3, 33. 3, 3, 33. Okay. So these 2 questions are homework for you. Okay. So you have to do as a homework these 2 questions. Okay. And this will be your classwork. I hope all of you have written. Have you written? Have you copied the homework question also? Yes? Very good. Now for today is sufficient. We stop our lecture here and we continue our next topic in our next lecture. Okay? Have a nice day. Good day.